This video, I'm going to show you what kind of drill bits and extractors are out there. Some of the stuff that I use. Start off with your cheapy drill bit. Silver, supposed to be high-speed steel, but I don't think it is. You might get one drill out of it. Same with these coated. They say it's titanium coated, but it's not titanium coated. Same thing. You get about a hole before they go dull. And the ones I use all the time are high-speed steel black and gold jobber bits. Different manufacturers make them. These things here, they usually stall your drill out. A light battery drill would stall out before it breaks this. This is my most used drill bit. Cuts through mostly anything. And it's not brittle, where now you have the cobalts. Sharp, cut really good. Just if you hit a jagged edge or anything, they're a little brittle. But they still come in handy when these ones won't cut. And then you got carbide, which will pretty much cut through anything, except maybe drilling through a tap or something. But any hard dowel that are in some of these engines, dowels, same thing though, very brittle. Be careful. I usually just drill a tiny bit in, open it up, tiny bit in, open it up. Because if you drill in too far and that breaks in there, now you got carbide stuck in the hole. But very sharp and cut multiple holes in hard stainless, whatever. And then you same thing, carbide tipped cement drills actually work really well cutting hard metals. If you ever run into something that's a little bit bigger. And last resort, you could always grind it out with one of these carbide burr balls. I've ground taps out with these. I grind extractors out all the time. Really good. Yeah, so these extractors you actually have to tap in with a hammer, but they work the best compared to these ones. Will take out a bolt that's not very tight. The tighter the bolt, the tighter this thing will go in, and then it will expand the top few threads and make it even tighter. This is just a cheapy version of the tapered square. It's these edges, especially in a hard bolt, they just break off. You might get a bolt or two out with one of these. You already know what I think of these things, how soft they are from when I drilled them in my other video. Look at, they just strip. Same thing. If the bolt's too tight, this is what it will do, the cheapy version. These ones here, you got to hit on with a hammer. But once you hit them on with a hammer, it's taking it out or it's breaking the stud. Same with this. You get a grab on this. If you have the room, then it's taking the stud out or it's breaking it. But if you can't swing a hammer and you don't have room for this, then you have one of these little guys. It takes up less room. You just hold it, tighten it in, and it will tighten. Little teeth in there will tighten onto the stud. Work pretty good. And then these ones here, these rollers, same thing. If the stud's too tight, they'll just round the threads and then that will be it. They're almost like more of an installer for the stud than a remover. These ones here, same thing as these ones. Tap in. Got your hex. It slides on there. Once you tapped it in, then you can turn it with a wrench. I hardly use these because I have these, but I got the kit for all these drill guides. Yeah, so 9/16 hole slides right in perfect, especially if your bolt's in a couple threads. You want to drill center. These little guides work good. Then you have your extractors. Everybody knows these. You sell them everywhere. Your little clover. They work good. Um, Deep ones with the studs sticking out from the nut. These work good. Then you got your big ones for your get into your bigger nuts and lock nuts and some of the stuff I carry around. So that's drill bits and extractors that I carry around for my business. And check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to keep the videos rolling for different scenarios that I come across with my business. Until next time.